Within an Azure Machine Learning environment, you manage several versions of a model deployed in production. You are required to ensure that a legacy version of a model is no longer available for new deployments, while still retaining it within the workspace for audit purposes or potential restoration. Which action should you perform to satisfy these requirements?
The correct answer is option C. Use the archive function on the specific model version. Option A, move the associated training data to the archive. Option B, remove the model version from the workspace registry. Option C, use the archive function on the specific model version. Option D, cancel the registration of the model version.
At its core, this question tests your understanding of model lifecycle management in Azure Machine Learning. Specifically, it asks about the state transitions of model assets when you need to retire a model from active duty while keeping it accessible for governance, compliance, or potential future rollback requirements. In my view, the correct answer is option C, using the archive function on the specific model version. Archiving a model in Azure Machine Learning is the intended process to hide a model from new deployments while preserving the metadata and artifact within the registry for essential tasks like auditing or potential restoration. The other options are incorrect because removing or unregistering the model, as described in options B and D, effectively deletes the asset from your workspace. This would make it impossible to retrieve the model for compliance reviews or restore it for production use later. Moving the training data, as noted in option A, is unrelated to the status of the registered model version itself.
A useful tip for this exam topic is to clearly distinguish between actions that physically remove objects from a workspace versus those that simply change their availability status. Remember that archiving is a non-destructive lifecycle management step,